People in the Philippines this.
Ang tubigan ni mo?
Hello.
So guys, this is my water.
Water dispenser.
I'm go to the school.
Oh.
This is dog.
Mm.
I'm going to the school. Back
Ay mo cellphone?
to school today.
Ay, pagdagan.